Imagine this, you step onto the stage. The room falls silent. Hundreds of eyes are on you. And within the first 10 seconds, people lean forward. They whisper to each other, "Who is this guy? I need to hear what he has to say." That's not luck. That's not charisma alone. That's a killer introduction. Most speakers blow it right from the start. They say, "Hi, my name is. Today I'm going to talk about." And the audience? They tune out. Instantly. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a speech that grabs attention, builds curiosity, and makes people hang on your every word. These are the same techniques I've used as a TEDx speaker and storytelling coach to help thousands transform their presentations. The problem with bad intros. Why do most speech openings fail? Because they're boring, predictable, and self-centered. Common mistakes. Starting with your bio, "I'm ASIF SHEIKH, I've done this and that." Nobody cares yet. Thanking the organizers too early. Jumping straight into facts or slides. Result? The audience checks their phones. You've lost them before you even begin. But a great intro flips this. It makes the audience think, "This is different. This matters to me." There are 3 proven ways to open a speech that create instant intrigue. I'll break them down with examples you can use today. 1. Start with a surprising question. Hook their curiosity right away. Example: what if I told you that the one thing holding back your career isn't your skills, but how you start your conversations? Why it works. Questions make the audience reflect personally. They lean in to find the answer. 2. Open with a shocking statistic or fact. Hit them with something unexpected. Example: did you know that 93% of people would rather die than give a speech? Yet here you are, watching this because you want to master it. Why it works. It disrupts their expectations and proves you're bringing value. 3. Begin with a compelling story, my favorite, and the most powerful. Stories are magic. They bypass logic and go straight to emotions. Adult version of Once Upon a Time. Example: last year, I bombed a TEDx talk rehearsal. I started with, "Hi, I'm ASIF." And the feedback was brutal, boring. But when I changed it to a personal story about failing my first presentation in front of 500 people, the room exploded. Applause from the first sentence. Why it works. Stories humanize you, build connection, and make people whisper, "Who is this?" Pro tip: keep your intro under 60 seconds. End it with a teaser, and by the end of this video, you'll have your own killer intro ready. How to craft your own killer intro. 1. Know your audience, what keeps them up at night. 2. Choose one of the 3 methods. Make it personal and emotional. 3. Practice out loud, record yourself. So, next time you speak, whether it's a presentation, meeting, or TED stage, don't start boring. Start with a killer intro that makes them whisper, "Who is this?" Try one of these today. Comment below, what's your current speech opener, and how will you change it? If this helped, like and subscribe. Let's make your voice unforgettable. Thanks for watching.
Dance with me.